Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First we're using the color of light pink. We're writing the alphabet of A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. Kids, now we're using the color of orange. E for egg, and the next one is F. F for fish. G. The next one is H. H for hand. I. J. The next one is K. Now we're using the color of dark green. K for kite. L for lemon. M for moon, M for mango. The next one is N for nose, N for nest. And now we're using the color of dark pink color and writing the alphabet of O. Stay with us. O for octopus. P for penguin. The next one is Q for queen. R for rose, R for rice. Exactly. The next one is S for snake. S for snake. Kids, now we're using the color of silver color. Stay with us. T. The next one is U. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. W. The next one is X. Y. Y for yolk. The last one is Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Exactly. The next one is H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. The next one is V, W, X, Y. The last one is Z. Thank you so much for watching.